Hey, I'm over here at your house. I am gonna do a video for you, and just remember it's still under construction. So sometimes I hate seeing it mid construction, but this is the front here. Obviously, they're still doing the actual drain line and everything, getting things buried, and then of course they'll get this flattened out for you. That pipe is going to be obviously for the where the driveway is going to be, because that has to be straightened, and then you'll still have this ditch area for the drains around the front and on the side. It's a nice big yard though here on the corner. I think they might have sheetrock up. I think we might have missed before, but we'll see. It's obviously up in the garage. So here's the front. I'm gonna go in on this side. It's a big garage. So water heater will go right there. They don't put steps in there, so you would have to put a ladder if you wanted to get up there. 2 garage openers. The remote will go there. All right, so when you walk in, this is your laundry room. Right here. Oh yeah, all the sheetrock's up. Okay. And then you'll come in to your kitchen right here. Refrigerator will be in this corner. Stove should be right there where that line is. Microwave up top. And of course, dining area. This will be your island. Your dishwasher and sink and everything is in here. You can kind of see the outline of that'll be the edge of it, and then it'll go around, and then there's another corner out there, and it goes over to this line over here. It's a nice big room though. It's huge. I love these. I love this floor plan. It's so open. So inviting when you come in. Pantry, obviously right here. Get your tray up. Oh, that'll be where your filter is for the AC. There. And this is your front entryway right here. Your 2 bedrooms up front. This closet. Bathroom, nothing's in here yet. That will be where your vanity is. Toilet. And then they do have the bathtub already in. They do put water in there because when they put it in, they need to get weight in there to hold it down. And then this is your front bedroom right here. Closet. It is chilly today. Got your 3rd bedroom over here. I'm not sure about these. I don't know why those are there. sticking on the wall like that. No, we have an outlet there. Here. I have no idea. I'm sure they'll address that. It'll be fixed. All right, closet. Right here. This is your second guest bath. Kind of same as the last. Vanity, toilet, bathtub. And then this is to the back. Got your big covered area right here. It's huge. So much space back here. This will obviously, that will be closed in. This will be your backyard. So again, it is a little different. The other one that you had was like really like long, like way back long. This one's a little more squared off. But as you can see, that black back there, on the other side of that, that's the line. So tons of space still. And again, you're on a corner, so you just have all this. And once you get your fence up, you won't even see any of this. There are two cute dogs over there, though. Very cute. Oh, mailboxes are right there. See that? So you don't have far to walk. It's good. Kind of give you, I'm gonna back up as much as I can right here before it gets too wet. Give you a view of the back. Let's go check out your master. Okay, this is the master. I've got a tray up in here too. And master bath. Oh, look at all that space. So this will be the double vanity area right here. And then you've got your little half wall. Your big window. Yuck. This will be your soaking tub with cleaner water. This is your closet. Tons of space. And I'm going to tell you, if you want to spend money anywhere, it will be you should definitely 100% put like a really nice closet organizer in here. That is something to put on the list. Because, you know, all they do is they go and they put a shelf around, one shelf. And it is such a waste of space because you have all the space up here to go up. You have tons of shelving that you could put up and everything in this. Don't waste the space. Get a good closet organizer, and you could even, I'm sure, do it yourself. All right, so here's your shower right across. Nice and big, built-in shelves, great. I'm going to give you another tip, and before you even start using this line underneath right here that goes around, there is a liner back there. Your wall's not in trouble or anything, but just like any lip of an area, or if you ended up getting a door put on, same thing, caulk it. Just caulk it. It will save you so much cleaning in the future. Put some clear caulk on there. I promise you, do it. And I do know a lot of people that have put a shower door in here, and it does look really, really nice. Okay, and this would be your toilet room, or throne room, what I call it. So, all right. They are on track. I did talk to Dan, and they are fully on track for everything. So, this is exactly where they're supposed to be. They're expecting 0 delays. Sorry, there's like, I kind of have to run out the door today. 0 delays on anything, and I'll probably be back in about 3 to 4 weeks. I do like them to get the flooring in and everything, and the island, the kitchen stuff in before I come back, so you can see all the cabinets and stuff. But as soon as I get word of that, then I'll come back. All right? Thank you. Bye.